Good morning, children. I hope that all of you are good in health. It's time to regain your energy and be ready to work hard towards your studies. Today we are going to start chapter 4, which is quadratic equation. We have already done second chapter, which was polynomials. So first the recap of second chapter, polynomial. So poly means many, nomial means terms. So polynomial means many terms. Let us understand by some examples. So example number 1 is 2x plus 5 equals to 7. Here the variable is x and you can see the highest power of variable is 1. So its degree will be equals to 1. And when the degree is 1, then it is known as linear equation. In the second example, 2x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Here again you can see variable is x but highest power of variable is 2. So it means degree of this equation is 2, and when the degree of equation is 2, then it is known as quadratic equation. And in the third example, x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Here the highest power of variable x is 3. So it means degree is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. So in the second chapter we have studied different types of polynomial. One type was the quadratic polynomial, which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. When we equate this polynomial to 0, then we get a quadratic equation such that a cannot be equals to 0. What will happen if a will be equals to 0? If a will be equals to 0, then this term will be 0. And this equation will be converted into linear equation because now the degree will be 1. So that's why a cannot be equals to 0. So standard form or general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a cannot be equals to 0. Let us start exercise 4.1. First question is, check whether the following are quadratic equations. We have to identify that in all the 8 parts which are quadratic and which are not the quadratic equation. So first part is x plus 1 whole square equals to 2 into x minus 3. Now left hand side will be opened by identity a plus b whole square, which is a square means x square plus b square plus 2ab. And right hand side we have to open the bracket, which is equals to 2x minus 6. Now if we shift right hand side to left hand side, it will be minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. Plus 2x minus 2x cancel out. So x square plus 1 plus 6 will be plus 7. So x square plus 7 equals to 0. Here you can see variable is x and highest power is 2. It means degree is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. Now in the seventh part, x plus 2 whole cube equals to 2x into x square minus 1. Here in the left hand side we have to apply the identity a plus b whole cube, which is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square into b plus 3a b square, and right hand side if we open the bracket it will be 2x cube minus 2x. Now x cube plus 8 plus 3 to the 6, 6x square plus 2 square 4, 3 the 12x, and if we shift right hand side to left hand side it will be minus 2x cube plus 2x equals to 0. X cube minus 2x cube will be minus x cube, 6x square plus 6x square, 12x plus 2x 14x, and plus 8 equals to 0. So after simplifying we are getting this much. Now here you can see variable is x, highest power of x is 3. So degree of this equation is 3. So it is not a quadratic equation, it is cubic polynomial. In the second question, we have to represent the following situations or given situations in the form of quadratic equations. Second question, second part is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So consecutive integers. So let first integer is x and second integer is x plus 1. According to question, their product is equals to 306. Now if we open the bracket, x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0. So this is the representation of given word problem in terms of quadratic equation. Second question, fourth part is a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So in the given question they are talking about two speeds. One is original speed and other one is decreased speed. So let original speed equals to x kilometer per hour and distance is given 480 kilometers. So original time, since time equals to distance upon speed, so original time will be 480 upon x. This is the original time. Now if the speed had been changed, so now changed speed, which is given that it is 8 kilometer per hour less than original speed, so it will be x minus 8 and distance is same 480 kilometers. Now changed time, so changed time will be 480 upon x minus 8. So according to question we are getting two types of times. One is original time, another one is changed time when the speed is less. Now if the speed is less, then time will be greater. Here the speed is more, greater. So it means time is less. Now this time is how much less? According to question, it is 3 hours less. So this is the equation. Now we have to simplify it. So 3 as it is, 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x. If we take the LCM, x into x minus 8, so numerator will be 480x minus 480x minus minus plus 8 into 480 will be 3840, and this will be equals to 3. If we cross multiply it, we will get 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 equals to 0. Now you can see all the terms are divisible by 3. So x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals to 0. So given word problem can be represented in the form of quadratic equation. So today's homework is you have to do exercise 4.1 all parts of question number 1 and 2, and exercise 4.2 question number 1 to question number 6. You have to solve these questions by splitting the middle term, which we have already done in class 9th. Thank you.